Producers of this film believe that censorship is wrong, and it insults our basic intelligence. After all, profanities are just words with a shitty motherfucking goddamn societal taboo attached. In the final analysis, words only offend if we let them. To illuminate this truth, we now present the most offensive song ever written. Thank you, and fuck the Norwegians.
For the boys.
This is more of a sophisticated look.
For the boys. Footy for my toys. Look at Nigel. He's Dimitri. What a fucking sussy.
All right, bud. What are we doing today?
We're dropping out.
How low are we going?
I don't want to be able to turn, so like right there.
Right there?
Yep.
Sure about that, buddy?
Shit all over a cemetery while I'm shooting dope. Pus-covered crackhead eating his toe jam, blasting his thick ass pope, and everybody sing fuck, 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 shit. Shit, 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 fuck.
This that sick rap, kickback. Come to where I pitch at. Where bitches love the game like Tyson Beck for six-pack. Presidential road, nigga. Where your wrist at? I can kill you in 4 bars. That's a Kit Kat. Did the Lambo my way. What a sick rap, smooth as Frank Sinatra with a motherfucking slick back. No rats in my pack, ain't no wrinkles in my slacks. Counting singles in my shack, stacking Pringles from the crack. Nigga, I was on the bus with it. Had 12 stuck to my chest in the field with the coat. Andrew Luck with it. We had the rock, hit the block like we're stuck with it. Jay was in a Z, my young gunners in the truck with it. Seagull with it.
Hey man, I did it all myself. No one helped. Senior quote, Ryan Stanton. Shit. Are you stuck? That's fucking low. I'm very scared to go any lower.
Hang on. I found the 17 ramps. Don't move.
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? Look at that shit. It was.
But I drive an Acura, so it kind of sucks.
It's like a fancy Honda, right?
Yeah. It's a Honda with leather seats. That's all it is.
Fuck! Exposed!
Shit! They're onto me! Fuck! It was a long night. I went home and slept. Yeah. It's fucked.
Hi, my name is Justin.
No, he doesn't fix it, he just plays around with it.
Oh, is that why he's always touching his dick?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like Matt. Oh, wow.
That's my wall.
Pussy.
Fucking stone big.
Hamburger. I'm just
Nice.
saying. We have
Like
12 buns
Thank you, sir.
and no hamburger. Where?
I'm a hamburglar, and you can't stop me from hamburglaring your burgers because cooked.
So many munchies. Do we have more pancake mix?
Your eyeballs.
Do you want to know how high I am?
So high.
Very high.
Do we have?
Oh, pot.
I'm still waiting to pay this.
You're down?
Oh, I'm filming Joe's crotch. This is a shitty fest. This is a shitty porno.
Yo, I got your new Coilover here. You want
show me what you're using for WD-40. You're feeding it like a baby bottle.
I am.
No. Would you rather fight one horse-sized duck or 100 duck-sized horses? And this kid right here, right? So you gotta beat him in a fist fight. This kid right here says the 100 ducks would be the 100 horse duck things. The 100 miniature horses would be so easy to fight, but like the numbers, dude.
No,
the
dude,
numbers.
I would
That
fucking
shit
knock
would
him out
fuck
one
you
for
up.
one.
What are you talking about? That horse shit. Yo, that shit would come upon you.
a deciding vote.
Dude, they would come upon you
You're not
and they would just
funny.
fucking kill you.
Shut the fuck
It's
up.
a 2/3 vote. Suck it.
I vote
Senate
on Gerard's
wins.
side. I agree. They would swarm your ass so quickly, dude. Right? They'd be like,
I knock him
hey.
out one after one.
And they'd be, right?
They'd
be like that shit in Call of Duty. They'd be like, nyah, nyah, nyah.
Chill the fuck out.
No
He's
fighting.
making me aggravated. Assault.
No fighting in the house, please. No fighting. No fighting. Nyah.